Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to deploy Laravel project on Render. So in order to do this, first of all prepare your Laravel project. Ensure that your Laravel app runs locally and all environment variables are set. Push your code to a GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket repository. Then create a database on Render if needed. So go to database section in Render and click create database and select your type, for example PostgreSQL, MySQL and more. Now after creation, copy the database URL for your .env file. Then third step is updating environment variables. So in your repo or directly in Render's dashboard, after service creation, set environment variables such as app/key or app key or app-env is equal to production, DB connection, DB host, DB port, DB database, DB username and DB password. Now obtain your app key by running PHP artisan key generate show locally and copy the value. Now create a new web service on Render. So click new and choose web service. Connect your Git repository and select your Laravel project. Now, fifth step is to configure build and start commands. So set the build command as this and set the start command as this. Now, add environment variables in Render dashboard. Go to your Render service, choose environment and add all .env variables needed for production and for your database connection. Now, deploy. So click on create web service or deploy and wait for the build and deployment process to finish. Now, access your app. Once deployment is successful, Render provides a live URL for your app and your Laravel project is now deployed and running live on Render. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.